What's up YouTube, Vengeful Sorrow here once again, and today I'm going to be shotgunning a Marley's Mellow Mood citrus flavor. 12-ounce can. And Bob Marley, one of my heroes. I've got a Bob Marley poster over my left shoulder. Now for y'all it appears like my right shoulder, but this camera reverses everything. Bob Marley watches over me as I sleep, protecting me from all the sober people. Making sure no harm comes to me by those damn sober people. So, I'm going to shotgun this for y'all. Whew! It's got a strong scent. Lightly carbonated, it says. That's good. At least it's not like a soda. Hopefully. Alright, so hopefully this will relax me. So, on the mark, get set, Vengeful Sorrow. Didn't even feel the carbonation, but that's pretty good. Citrus flavor works really well. So hopefully it's time to relax, and thank you for watching. See you next time.